Google users don't know that Google is a money-making machine and that it can generate a lot of money for them. A lot of people use Google for research and they're not getting paid any money at all for doing that. But some smart people are taking advantage of a special Google trick and they are making a lot of money from it. I'll be revealing the secret by showing you the exact step-by-step method for free. And by using this trick, you can make a lot of money online from anywhere in the world. Here is the website that we will be using. If we combine this with Google, then we can make a lot of money. Your attention is needed here because I want to show you exactly how much money you could potentially earn with this website. Just take a look at this list right here. So many opportunities to earn thousands of dollars. If we keep scrolling down, you might just begin to think that there are unlimited opportunities where you can use this trick and you can make thousands of dollars over and over again. All you need is the simple Google tool. I can assure you that this is a genuine website. They have partnered with some of the biggest brands online like Pepsi, Nestle, Johnson & Johnson, Spotify, and even Microsoft. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to sign up for a free account. Now on top of the homepage on this website, I want you to go and click on this button over here. You'll have to click I'm a problem solver. And now I want you to click on this button on top, log in or sign up. Click on this and this is where you can sign up for a free account. Click on I don't have an account yet. Then come over to this page where you can put in your first name, your last name, your location, email address, and your password. Then choose your birth date and your gender. Now for the following skill areas, I highly recommend you to choose above average on these 3 scales. And make sure you check the terms and conditions and privacy policy and click on I'm not a robot. Then you can just go on and click on this blue sign up button. Once you're done, you can log into your account and right away you can see that here are tons of different projects and challenges that you can join. And through those, you can make a lot of money online. You can see here the many different categories that they have to offer. Here you use computer science, food science, business, and even engineering, and these other too. Now you can set all of these aside because I want you to focus on this brand new category, which is computer science. Simply click on computer science and the website is going to filter out and show you all of the projects and challenges relating to computer science. Now these projects and challenges are going to pay you the highest amount of money. You can see here, for example, this project right here. It will pay you this much money. And all you have to do is go ahead and click on that link. You are then going to be brought over to this page where they are going to ask you this question. So you can just write an answer, submit it, and then you're going to get paid by doing just that. Here we can see that there are a lot of submissions and that there are people who get paid by submitting an answer on this website, and you can do the same thing as well. Here's the simple Google trick that I've been talking about. I want to go back to Google and search for Google Docs. Now just click on the first link, which is Google Docs free online document. It will then take you to this page where you can start a blank document. You can start typing your answer on this Google document and then you can submit these so you can make money online. By submitting a Google document with your answers to this question, you can actually make a lot of money. Go back to mindsumo.com, then highlight this question and copy. Then we're going to go back to Google and paste the keyword, then search. Now Google will help us find the answer to this question. We can see a result from Quora.com right here. We can just click on that link and it will take us to Quora.com where people post answers to a lot of different questions. If you guys are learning something, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Hopefully right here we can find a good answer to the question so that we can submit that to make money online. Once we find a good enough answer, all we have to do is just go ahead and highlight it and copy it. And then we go back to our Google Docs, then we're going to paste the answer right here. Now we can just leave that for a bit or we go back to Google. Now what we are going to do is look for more different answers that we can combine and submit. When we do that, we can come up with a very professional answer that we can then submit on mindsumo.com. The trick is to just look for cohesive points from answers that we can find through searching on Google and put them all together on this Google Doc. It is that easy. We can repeat this over and over again and get all of the answers from different websites and just paste everything in Google Docs. Now pay attention here because this is a bonus tip for you. Make sure to change the title of your Google Doc to MindSumo Challenge. Then include the title of the question. Let's just go back to mindsumo.com and then we're going to copy the question and paste it as the title of the Google Doc. Now for the body of the Google Doc, we're going to make the font size larger so that it looks longer. I'm going to center this document, then put a little spacing down below and proofread the rest of the text. If you have more answers for the question here, just add it in. Now once you're finished making your answer, you can just go ahead and click on File, then click on Download, You have to make sure that you choose PDF document when you download. Just click on this link right here and it will download onto your computer. But you can do this on your phone as well, of course. Now once that is done, we can see how very professional it is, very much ready to be submitted to the MindSumo challenge. This is how you can start making money online by taking advantage of this new Google trick for MindSumo.com. Keep all of that in mind because there are plenty of different challenges and projects that you can join, and that's it. Do you want to learn how you can earn $1,000 per day by clicking? Then watch this video. This has been Rachel's Money Guide. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.